Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Logged In. In today's video we will see how to apply a thermal compound or thermal paste on a CPU with proper steps. So let's begin. First of all, place the motherboard on a anti-static platform. The best platform is your motherboard's box. Install the CPU correctly. Take a good company's thermal compound or thermal paste. We'll place a little bit of thermal compound on the CPU, not very much. This will help in securing a good contact with the CPU and the heatsink. Now I will install the heatsink or CPU fan. Align the CPU fan with the 4 holes on the motherboard. Push each of them with a little force. Please do not apply too much force on the motherboard. Connect the CPU fan cable properly so that the CPU fan works fine. So this is how you can apply thermal paste properly and install CPU fan correctly so that your CPU temperature remains normal and works fine. This video was helpful. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you.